On November 30, 2022, the tech world was introduced to a revolutionary tool that quickly captured the attention of millions. ChatGPT, a chatbot-based GPT-3 technology, amazed people with its remarkable ability to generate essays, solve math problems, and assist students with their homework without any mental exertion. Within just 3 months, ChatGPT had taken the world by storm, and its popularity showed no signs of slowing down. With over 100 million users and 10 million daily active users performing more than 13 million daily queries, ChatGPT quickly became a phenomenon that had never been seen before. However, some experts raised concerns that the tool posed a risk to human creativity and problem-solving skills, labeling it a potential threat. The popularity of ChatGPT also caught the attention of Google, who saw it as a potential threat to their $149 billion search business. As a result, Google launched its own competing tool, Google Bard. So why ChatGPT had gained so much popularity and who was behind its development? Additionally, how ChatGPT could transform the world and what potential impact it could have on society. The year was 1955, and the world was about to witness the birth of a term that would change the course of history. It was the year that John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence, and set off a chain of events that would ultimately lead to the creation of Lisp, a powerful programming language designed for AI enthusiasts. However, despite the excitement surrounding the potential of AI, research faced funding limitations due to the limitations of computers at the time. Disappointing results led to the first AI winter, a period of stagnation in the field. But fast forward to 2015, and the world was once again buzzing with excitement for AI, thanks to the efforts of Sam Altman, the former CEO of Y Combinator, and the visionary entrepreneur, Elon Musk. Together, they launched an initiative for safe and open AI development, marking the birth of OpenAI. With OpenAI at the forefront of AI research and development, the world has once again turned its attention to the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. The formation of OpenAI was nothing short of a star-studded affair, with some of the biggest names in technology and business coming together to pledge over $1 billion to the venture. With luminaries such as Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Reid Hoffman, Jessica Livingston, Peter Thiel, and Elon Musk leading the charge, it was clear that something big was in the works. OpenAI made a bold commitment to share its patents and research with the public, encouraging collaboration and open communication between institutions and researchers. In its early days, the company focused on AI applications for video games, with the goal of making AI more accessible and user-friendly for all. In a game-changing move in 2016, OpenAI released its first open-source toolkit for reinforcement learning, OpenAI Gym and Universe. This toolkit served as a testing ground for training AI agents and quickly became a crucial resource for researchers and developers all over the world. Over the next 2 years, OpenAI shifted its focus to more general AI research and development, exploring the endless possibilities of this revolutionary technology. In 2018, OpenAI unleashed a revolutionary new technology upon the world, the Generative Pre-trained Transformer or GPT for short. These machine learning models were designed to mimic the construction and function of the human brain, using neural networks to process and generate text. To create their first GPT model, the OpenAI team turned to the vast and untapped resource of the book corpus, a massive collection of unpublished books containing over 7,000 titles. With this powerful dataset at their disposal, they set to work training their GPT-1 model, a groundbreaking achievement that paved the way for even more advanced models in the years to come. Later they introduced GPT-2, a next-generation model that was trained on a whopping 8 million web pages and boasted a staggering 1.5 billion parameters. With this incredible amount of data and processing power, GPT-2 was able to perform a wide range of tasks, from text prediction to answering complex questions with remarkable accuracy. Musk stepped down from his board position in 2018 and cited his role as CEO of Tesla and its development of AI for self-driving cars as a potential conflict of interest. According to reports, Musk had even suggested taking over OpenAI entirely, believing that the organization had fallen behind competitors like Google in the race for AI dominance. However, the board ultimately rejected his proposal, leaving Musk to focus on his other ventures while OpenAI continued to chart its own course. Then, in 2019, OpenAI made headlines once again with a bold decision: to become a capped profit organization known as OpenAI LP. This new model combined elements of both for-profit and non-profit models, with profits capped at 100 times the initial investment. This move allowed OpenAI to legally attract venture funding and offer stock options to employees. In 2019, Microsoft shook hands with OpenAI LP by investing a whopping $1 billion in the company. This investment proved to be fruitful as OpenAI made a big leap forward in the field of AI with the launch of DALL-E. This AI system is no less than magic as it generates stunning photorealistic images that are nothing short of a masterpiece. But how does OpenAI make money from this breakthrough technology? The answer is simple: tokens. To get access to OpenAI's DALL-E text-to-image converter, users need tokens, and the first month comes with a bonus of 50 credits. However, each subsequent month comes with 15 credits only. Each credit allows users to create up to 4 photos from a single question. In 2022, OpenAI shook the world with the launch of GPT-3, an AI model that pushed the limits of intelligence and speed. To put things into perspective, this model had 175 billion parameters and was trained on an enormous 45 terabytes of data. To make this feat possible, Microsoft created a supercomputer for OpenAI with an impressive 285,000 CPU cores and 10,000 GPUs, earning it a spot as the 5th most powerful supercomputer globally. But wait, there's more. OpenAI leveraged the success of GPT-3 to develop ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot that can understand the context and tailor its responses accordingly. Within just 5 days of its launch, ChatGPT amassed over 1 million signups. What makes ChatGPT unique is its ability to learn and train within a conversation thread, providing more accurate answers and responses. Microsoft made a significant investment of reportedly $10 billion in OpenAI on January 23, 2023, which resulted in the company's value doubling to $29 billion from its 2021 value. What could have prompted this massive investment? The answer is Microsoft is eager to integrate OpenAI's groundbreaking ChatGPT into its search engine Bing, which could revolutionize the way we search for information online. Not wanting to be left behind, Google has also introduced its own AI application called Bard, in response to ChatGPT's growing popularity. Despite generating little revenue so far, OpenAI's astronomical valuation could make it one of the most valuable startups in the United States, leaving established tech giants like Dell, HP, eBay, Zoom, Spotify, Snap Inc., and Palantir in the dust. On March 14, 2023, OpenAI dropped a bombshell announcement about the release of GPT-4, a machine learning model that is capable of processing text and image inputs with unmatched accuracy. The results of a simulated law school bar exam indicate that GPT-4 performed exceptionally well, scoring in the top 10% of test takers. This latest version of GPT can analyze, generate, or read up to 25,000 words of text and write code in major programming languages. With the development of ChatGPT and similar tools by OpenAI, industries across the board are expected to be shaken up. This cutting-edge technology has the power to transform our lives as we know them. With its remarkable ability to learn and adapt, AI can revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to finance, education to transportation, and beyond. One of the most exciting benefits of AI is its ability to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. In the field of healthcare, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently, and even aid in drug discovery and development. Meanwhile, in finance, AI can assist banks and financial institutions in detecting fraud, managing risks, and making informed investment decisions. Education is another field that stands to gain greatly from AI's transformative potential. AI-powered learning systems can personalize education for each student based on their individual strengths and weaknesses, allowing for a more effective and efficient learning experience. And in transportation, the development of autonomous vehicles powered by AI has the potential to greatly reduce accidents and make transportation safer and more efficient for everyone. In conclusion, the potential benefits of AI are truly limitless, and it has the power to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and enhance our lives in ways we never thought possible. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, we must also work to address the potential risks and drawbacks, such as bias and discrimination, privacy concerns, and job displacement. As the story of ChatGPT comes to a close, it is clear that AI is a rapidly evolving field with both immense potential and significant challenges. While AI systems like ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance and convenience, it is important to remember that they are ultimately tools that must be used responsibly and ethically.